Welcome. If you want to connect Galaxy Buds to your iPhone 12 Pro, at the first you have to open the settings, then move to the Bluetooth settings and activate this feature. After that we have to open charging case of our AirPods, Galaxy Buds, and just keep holding until it pops on the available devices right here on iPhone. And here it is. So right now just simply tap on our buds, and as you can see right now they are connected. So we can just put it to the ear and just enjoy to watching the videos or just listen to the music. And as you can see, it was very easy, but I hope that I helped you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!